What's up, everybody? This is Krajc with Coldwell Banker Chicora Advantage, and here I am at 3404 Picket Fence Lane in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to have a great open house here this coming Saturday, June 16th, from 10 a.m. until 12 p.m., and you got to be there. Let's go see why. With this amazing office space, Carolina room area, there's tons of room for activities, even with a great view. 1, 2, 3. You think this kitchen island isn't made for dips? Well, I happen to disagree, but that's okay. You know why? Because this kitchen's packing things like a Bosch dishwasher and a Samsung side-by-side refrigerator. Besides that, I've got Tupperware and an avocado. And if that wasn't enough, we got a garden tub to soak all your worries away. Oh yeah. So, like I said, 3404 Picket Fence Lane in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, this Saturday, June 16th, from 10 a.m. until 12 p.m., you gotta be here. If everything we saw wasn't enough so far, we even got a fenced-in backyard to bring your dog, cat, kids, or even pet pig Penelope over here to play fetch. Come on, Penelope, let's do this. Go get it, Penelope. Go get it.